Hey guys, faves zenu. Well, you guys' faves will make us fight one another for stuff that they know very well is true. Guys, we all know that Uvuyogazi is engaged. The fiance Utolan himself, he confirmed it and said that Uvuyogazi said yes. But my question is, guys, was this not the same Olani that was it? Hey, the way a lot of things has been going on, I don't know whether it was a couple of weeks back or a week back, where there was where Uvuyogazi actually put out a statement because there was a certain entertainment channel here on YouTube okhiphe indaba yokuthi uVuyokazi is in a relationship with a guy named Uxolani, and the lady who actually released all of this is Xolani's girlfriend. So this lady said to be Xolani's girlfriend, and she says uVuyokazi basically came into a relationship and uVuyokazi is gonna be made umamkhulu. And when that channel released that whole thing, Uvuyokazi came out with a statement. Uvuyokazi said she doesn't know the girl. Uvuyokazi basically denied all of that. And was some of you, or should I say some of us, because I decided that I was not going to report on it because I'm like, you know what? Let me not report on stuff that, let me just wait for the person or at least the people who are in the ndaba to confirm. Haibo Vuyokazi denied everything. Abanye bamlwela fought other people on the internet. Look now. Who is the one? Obana bakamisile manj. Who's the ones who are looking like liars and looking like they're fighting people's battles? Is it not us? It is us, you guys, because is this not the very same Olani that she is engaged to? I get it that maybe the time it was released, it was not, they did not want it. They probably did not want it to be released at that time, you guys. They probably wanted to keep things under a wrap and whatnot and all of that. But she could have just kept quiet, you guys. And I remember someone in my comment section, because I did a video about Uvuyokazi's statement, and someone said, why didn't she just keep quiet instead of implicating herself? Because now she's looking like a liar, you guys. And one thing about me, and I know this about other people as well, and I think some celebrities and public figures, they don't get this. The moment you lie to us, how do you expect us to believe the next time you do something? Or next time you say which something's not true, how do you expect us to believe you? Whereas that time you lied. I mean, she could have just kept quiet, for crying out loud. She probably was with the guy already. So yeah, now I don't appreciate that. But guys, that is another reminder to all of us, Wuti asiyekeni. Let us stop fighting battles that are not ours, because clearly people have their plans in the background. Clearly people know their truth. They know their truth, and sometimes the truth that's been displayed in front of us, it's either the truth or it's either not, but they know their truth. That's all I'm gonna say. But I was pleasantly surprised to find out that it is the very same Olani, you guys. I don't know whether I want to say I'm disappointed or what I want to say, but remember, guys, the person who brought out the story was supposedly Uxolani's girlfriend, and she said that Uxolani wants Isthembu, except he wants to make the girlfriend the second wife, and he wants to take Uvuyokazi as the first wife. Uvuyokazi has clearly said, you guys, with Inga Nestembu, she doesn't have a problem with Isthembu. She just had a problem with the way Umpumelelo does Isthembu psyche. But I'm like, girl, you left one relationship where Ukai did not want to give you first position, and you went into another one, which is probably a polygamous relationship as well, except now they're giving you what you want, and which is Umamkuli's position. I asazi, guys, but you know what? I've always said that I feel like this whole thing of Umamkulu is a scam. I feel like it's a scam because at most times I feel like these men expect Abu Mamkulu to do and to agree to stuff that if you are not Umamkulu, they would have not expected that from you. So it is a lot, you guys. But anyway, Uvuyokazi knows what she's getting herself into. The guy is a chef, you guys, and it does seem like he's not based in South Africa. So I'm thinking maybe even in terms of the bag, the guy is secure. And I'm just like, yes, realize you and upgrade, Michael. Don't go for like what's the point, eh? Upgrade. So yeah, you guys. But anyway, Vuyokazi, I am happy for her. You know what? I really hope that everything works out well, that they do eventually get married, that it's not going to end up a situation for whatever. I am all for if a person is happy at the moment, let's celebrate with them, you guys. But I don't like the fact that she lied. She could have just kept quiet and kept things moving and whatnot. I really don't know Uchi, what was the purpose. I am curious to find out ukuthi Mselegu, how does he feel ubaba Mselegu Umusa Mselegu, how does he feel? Because angithi yena he said he has hope ukuthi Vuyokazi is gonna come back. And Vuyokazi now belongs to the Mnguni family. She's now gonna be in the Mnguni family. No more the Mselegu family, you guys, because Umpumelelo bekamenzela kancane. Umpumelelo still wants to figure out his life. He still wants to play around. Vuyokazi was clear about her settling down. She met a guy who's willing to do just that, and kudos to her. Anyway, guys, tell me how you guys feel about the very same guy she was denying is the very same guy she is now said yes to. Yeah, guys, like the video. Please make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.